A happy mother and her newborn baby. But for Sarah Ewart, baby Aoife is extra special. 4 years ago, the 27-year-old mother had an abortion because doctors told her the baby she was carrying would die at birth. Her baby had what's known as fatal fetal abnormality.
If she was going to have a life, we would have had her. I asked the hospital, was there any operations, was there any medication? There was nothing we could have done for her.
Not only would the baby have died, but Sarah was told her life would be at risk. Fatal fetal abnormality is a term that is not recognised by the medical profession. In Northern Ireland, abortion is illegal and is a criminal offence. So Sarah was forced to go to England for an abortion. It provoked a wave of abuse and criticism against her from some pro-life campaigners.
It's about how I'm a murderer and I'm never going to forget this for the rest of my life, and I didn't know what I was doing to my body or my child. And I just looked at her and cried and said this wasn't a problem, this was a very much wanted pregnancy.
Her experience has reignited a fierce debate here about the right for women to choose.
No doctor can say that definitively. What they can say is there is something wrong with the baby. There's going to be, we suspect, a shortened lifespan. It may lead to death before birth or shortly after, but no one can say exactly when that is going to happen. What abortion does is end that life intentionally.
Politicians in Northern Ireland never accepted the 1967 Act which made abortion legal in the rest of the UK. It has become a major political issue. In 2015, the Belfast High Court ruled that the abortion ban was a breach of human rights, but the Northern Ireland Assembly has consistently resisted calls for it to be relaxed, and that's put the province out of step with the rest of Britain and most of Europe. Each year, depending on whose figures you accept, between 700 and 2,000 women leave the province to travel to the rest of the UK for abortions, where they are free, but not to women from Northern Ireland. An unknown number buy termination pills from online sources. Abortion is not even allowed for cases of rape or incest.
Our laws in Northern Ireland treat women as criminals. We're very clear, women are not criminals. Abortion is a healthcare and human rights issue, and it's time our politicians brought about the change that's needed.
The abortion issue crosses the religious divide here, with both Catholic and Protestant communities split on what is right. Pro-life campaigners, however, believe that the laws in Northern Ireland have saved thousands of babies and women.
Well, I actually think that the rest of the UK should look to Northern Ireland, because I think we've got it right. And I think the example here is where abortion is illegal, women are safer and unborn children are protected.
Sarah has 2 children now and is happy, but remains scarred by her ordeal, the terrible insults and the lonely trip to a strange place, something she says no mother should have to endure. Tony Birtley, Al Jazeera, Belfast.